Hello, hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. I hope you've been enjoying all the demos I've been doing, showcasing some of my health and beauty products. Okay, today I have come with another product. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites as well. Guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? I'll spare you, all right? It's Atomy evening. Actually, let me put so you can actually see the pack itself. It's Atomy evening care set, all right? It's a 4-piece set that basically pampers your skin. After a hard day's work, after a long tiring and sometimes boring day, I come back home and I just treat my skin to this lovely set. All right, trust me, you can't go wrong on this. Everything I show you, all right, are things that I have personally used and I'm getting results from using them. All right, so this is the Atomy evening care set, okay, made up of the foam cleanser, then the deep cleanser at the end there, and you have the peel off mask and the peeling gel. The peel off mask and the peeling gel. Bring it closer so you can see. All right. Normally, when I start with the foam cleanser, which is this. It's in a 150 ml tube like this. See, 150 ml tube that looks like this. Yeah. So what you do, all right, you just take it, put a bit on your palm, all right. Obviously, you'll be using more than this. You know, I'm just using this for illustrative purpose, all right. So rub it, sorry, get that away. Rub it on your palm, yeah. Dab it on your skin, all right. You know, ooh, I love it. It smells so good. Rich, lovely smell, which is typical of all Atomy beauty products. They smell so nice. You can't go wrong with it. Yeah, so you put that on your skin, and basically what this does is it just takes off all the sweaty impurities of a hard day's work, all the harshness that has been like on your face in the course of your daily activities. It just takes off all them impurities and cleanses your out your pores. Okay, so this is a one to watch out for. It's good. I call it the prep stage. You know, it's like you're basically telling your skin, well, I'm just prepping you because I've got something really good for you. I've got something good lined up for you tonight, okay? So yeah, I call it my little prep stage, all right? Some people use this, all right? And then they skip the deep cleanser, because the deep cleanser basically does the same thing, okay, but on a deeper level. So I try not to skip any of them. I use this, rinse it off, okay. After 1 to 2 minutes of gently massaging, I wash it off, and then I come back and I use the deep cleanser, okay? Same procedure, okay? For 1 to 2 minutes, leave it on, like just give it a gentle rub, gentle massage in lovely circular motion on your face, all right? And once the epidermal layer of your skin, okay, it's relaxed by that pampering and that massage, your skin is now able to absorb all the lovely essential nutrients built into this, okay? And what it does, it just moisturizes your skin and leaves it pleasantly soft, okay? So when you're done at this stage, when you're done this stage, you start actually feeling you start feeling the effect of what you're doing. You know, you actually visibly start seeing and feeling the effect of what you're doing, okay? So I call it, we're getting serious now, okay, for this one, okay? That is the deep cleanser. And then after the deep cleanser, you come on to the peeling gel. I love this one as well, because this one just exfoliates the skin, okay? This exfoliates, all right, and removes dead skin cells, all right? And same thing you do. It looks like, ooh, sorry, I didn't want to pour that. I just wanted a bit and it all came out. Sorry. Oh dear. I don't have tissue. I just want, oh dear. So yeah, it looks like that, you know, like a clear gel. All right. And then you just, no wonder it's called a peeling gel. Yeah. So yeah, you just rub it again, and just use it on your face. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Use it on your face. And like I said, smells nice. I love it. Oh, so typical of Atomy products. I don't know. This smells so good. All right, so rub it again like I've just done, and pat it on your face. Lovely, massage it in, lovely circular motion. And like I said, this basically, yeah, exfoliates, all right, and removes dead skin cells. So by the time you get to this stage, your skin is already saying, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. You're removing all the dead skin cells. This is a no-brainer. It's so good. By the time I get to this stage, I personally, when I use it, I'm beginning to feel what I'm doing. You understand? I'm beginning to feel the effect of what I'm doing, and I love it. Okay. Now, if you've got very dry skin, all right, I will add from my own personal observation. All right. If you've got very dry skin, yeah, I will not recommend you use the peeling gel and the peel off mask, which are the last two stages. All right. It's one or the other. So if you use the peeling gel, that's fine. Or if you prefer to use the peel off mask, that's fine. But don't use both of them if you have very dry skin. But if you don't have a very dry skin like me, I'm in between. I don't, you know, I'm just in between, like borderline kind of thing skin. That's what I have. So I can use all four of them, and I love to use all four of them because I just want to take in everything I can get. You know, I just want to take in everything I can get from the set, okay, to pamper, okay, my skin. All right. So this last stage is the peel off mask, and this one, like I said, it's getting really serious when you get to this stage. Oh, look at that bubble. Did you see that? Ooh. Okay. Now it's getting serious when you get to this stage. So when you drop that, all right, obviously you'll be using more than this, all right? You'll be taking more than this for your face, trust me. But this is just for demo purposes. Now, look, ooh, my skin, I can see my even my palms are already feeling, you know, feeling like a baby's skin, looking like a baby's skin already, all right? Yeah, so this actually feels like, again, it smells so good. Now, this feels like, how do I say? It feels like, how do I explain it? What do you call it? Glue, you know, glue stick. You know the feeling of glue stick. You know, when you use glue stick to glue things, you know, that glue stick? Yeah, that's how it feels, you know. When you touch it, it feels like glue stick because it's a mask, kind of a mask, you know. So what you do is you just pat it on your face, put it on your face. Obviously, you'll be using more than this, and leave it to set on your face. It's the last stage. This is the calming stage that calms your skin and gives your skin that final firmness and elasticity. All right. So I love this stage. I don't rush this stage at all. All right. So when you put it on, all right, leave it. Let it set for like 15 to 20 minutes. All right. 15 to 20 minutes, just let it set, all right? And when it dries out, you can literally peel it off. You know, you peel it off from the bottom, hold it at the bottom, and peel it off your face from the bottom to the top. Just take it like that, like you're taking off your shirt, you know, over your head, and just pull it off, okay? And when you do that, just pat it dry with cold water, and then you clean, all right? And obviously use your other beauty products like your cream or whatever you want to use for your face, okay? But this stage, like I said, this last stage, I don't rush it at all right? So ladies and gents, all right, if you want more information, please scroll check out all the other slides I've put in with this demo, okay, for more information about the evening care set. And please send me a DM if you're interested, you want one of these, or you want it for a gift pack for somebody. Please send me a DM. I love you all. Until my next video, take care, stay blessed, love you.